It was a serene settlement alongside river. Waking up to the roosters clucking and the birds chirping, it was the nature's call. The day-to-day course of the people started with a peace of mind. Here we present the beautiful village Thoddampalayam. The major occupation of the village includes fishing, flowering, mat weaving from used products, agriculture and weaving. Economically standardized occupation of the village is weaving. Weaving is a work dealt with effort and time. The hard activity binds with a monotonic machine sound. This sound most prevalently comes from the houses even before we could see the heads of the people. It's considered to be the heartbeat of the village. Though weaving connects people together, it hasn't achieved the reputation it deserves in the field due to historical practices, which has to be addressed with a solution through the proposal. Vijayanagar Empire was a prosperous blooming kingdom during the 13th century. The kingdom desperately wanted weavers. Consequently, the king brought a group of families from Saurashtra. The families got settled in Vijayanagar and started adapting to the new culture and lived happily. During the 16th century, Vijayanagar Empire was defeated by sultans. The significant empire declined gradually, which forced people to migrate to places like Madurai, Coimbatore, Dindigul during the 18th century. The sole reason for the people to migrate was the kingdom's defeat, which made Vijayanagar unfit to aid people's life. Amongst the migrated group, one of the group got settled in Thoddampalayam. Moving on to the proposal. The site is spread to an extent of 2070 meters square present at the entry of the village itself. This proposal is focused on the concept learning new by preserving the old. The site is placed right opposite to the government school in order not to forget the 200-year-old tradition by the students and the growing children. At the entrance, the building has an accent wall with perforations which resembles the jacquard loom template. As we move further, the structure is treated with a courtyard, workspace and an institutional center. The institutional space is designed in such a way to exchange ideas between the artisans and the students. The weaving area accommodates a handful of weavers who would weave the sari and then help in displaying them, finally to sell them. The proposal entirely concentrates on the upliftment of the community as well as make them remember who they are by the extremely unique occupation they perform. And yes, that's the weaving hub for you.